So let's solve this question. We are given that a is equal to 5 under root 2, and we are given that 2a is equal to under root 2x. So we'll substitute this value of a in this equation. So we'll have 2 multiplied by 5 under root 2 equals under root 2x. So this will be 10 under root 2 equals under root 2x. So in these kind of algebraic equations, we can do any operations on the both side and both the values will be the same. So if we add 2 here and 2 here, this will be the same. And similarly, if we can even multiply or add or subtract, or in this case we will square because we want to remove this square root here. So we'll just square both the sides. So here square of the 10 is 100 multiplied by this square value cancels this square root, hence 2 equals this square cancels out this square root, which means that 2x here. So here we get the value x equals 100 into 2 divided by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. X is equal to 100. So the final answer to this question is 100.